In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share eBay listings on social media. Whether you're promoting your own items, sharing a great find with your audience, or sending a link to a friend, the process is quick and straightforward once you know exactly where to click and what to look for. First, open eBay and navigate to the product you want to share. Make sure you're on the item's dedicated page, not the search results. This page will show the full title, photos, pricing, shipping details, and seller information. Take a moment to confirm it's the exact item you intend to highlight. If the listing offers variations, like size or color, select the option you want viewers to see when they open the link. That way, anyone who clicks lands on the version you have in mind, which helps avoid confusion and reduces follow-up questions. Next, locate the share button on the item page. On desktop, you'll typically find it near the title, price, or action buttons. On mobile, it may appear just below the photos or in a menu with an icon that looks like an arrow or 3 connected dots. The key is to be on the item page itself. If you don't see share, scroll a bit or ensure you open the listing fully. When you click share, eBay will display options for sending or posting the listing. From that share menu, choose the option to copy the link. This saves the listing's URL to your clipboard. You may see a small confirmation message indicating the link was copied successfully. A quick best practice is to paste the link into a note or a new browser tab to confirm it opens the exact item and the correct variation you selected earlier. This simple check ensures your audience won't hit a generic search page or the wrong configuration. Now you're ready to post. Paste the link into your social media caption, message, or story composer. Most platforms automatically generate a preview with the item's image and title. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a second or repaste the link. Add a clear, concise caption that highlights the key benefit, such as condition, standout features, or a time-sensitive price, so people know why they should click. If your goal is reach, include relevant keywords and tasteful hashtags. If your goal is quick action, add a short call to action, like tap the link to see photos and details. And that's it. Select the product, click share, copy the link, and you're ready to post confidently across your favorite platforms.